What are you so happy about? You happy because Daddy's home? You happy because Daddy came home sick? Oh, he may not look very good right now. But at least you get to see him, right? Jonah, let's see you kick up those legs. Kick up those legs. Come on. Let's see. Get up these little pudgy legs. Do you like to eat your feet? Do you like to eat your feet? You like that? Eat your feet! Eat your feet! Pick your nose with your foot! Pick your nose with your foot! Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga.